Well, when the large international tile manufacturer Dow Tile needed to build a new manufacturing facility, they chose Muskogee, Oklahoma for its central location and have enjoyed both the ease and cost savings of shipping their product out of the port of Muskogee. Our Russ Joel takes us on a tour of a 1 million square foot facility that produces what is underfoot.
They're feeling the pressure in the town of Muskogee and taking the heat, all for the sake of making tile.
Each day we have the capability of producing around 500,000 square feet of tile.
Thanks to its strategic location along the Arkansas River, Dallas-based Dow Tile Corporation found Muskogee to be the perfect location for one of its 1 million square foot manufacturing facilities.
There are needs in this plant, and they've been fulfilled to have very highly qualified associates working.
Eric Tuck is a process engineering manager for Dow Tile's Muskogee facility and says having resources like the port and Indian Capital Tech Center nearby have proven invaluable to the plant's success.
We did have the luxury, and I wasn't here at the time, but I know, and we continue the relationship with ICTC, to work with them to help train employees prior to the ground even being broken here.
It took a lot of hard work and dedication, plus teamwork.
And one of those associates is Barry Kreitz, who experienced firsthand the benefits of having a technology center nearby.
We had ICTC, Indian Capital Technology Center. They were able to lend us a garage, per se, so that we could put a miniature glaze line, different applications, and a really technical part of it was the Techno Italia decorating machine.
But despite the high technology involved in making tile, Barry showed us that the process starts with one of the most primitive materials on Earth, sand.
You take the sand, the Arkansas sand, then you get some clay, and then you get other materials, and it's about like making cookies.
All the dry ingredients are tossed into a tumbler where they are thoroughly mixed together with the wet ingredients, forming a thick slurry.
That slurry is then sprayed into a spray dryer. That spray dryer then evaporates the moisture. After it evaporates the moisture, Mother Nature takes control. Powder is now made.
That powder is put into silos where it's allowed to cure for a period of 24 hours.
After the powder cures for 24 hours, it is then transported to our presses. Cookie cutters. It is our presses, okay? After we go to the presses, we are now making tile.
A colored stain is stamped onto each tile. Then it's off to the kiln.
This is the actual kiln itself. This is where we actually fire the tile in order to produce a finished product.
The kiln burns at about 2,200 degrees Fahrenheit, causing the tiles not to expand, but to shrink.
Now it's room temperature. The tile will actually shrink on the average 7.2%. Each piece of tile will shrink in size.
And then, as the old saying goes, what goes up must come down.
Right now is where the heat zone has ended. From here on out, we have got to get this tile back down to room temperature as soon as possible. This zone right here is called the rapid cooling.
The end result? A rock-solid product that lays a firm foundation for both the floors we walk on and the economy we depend on.